Hi guys and welcome back in my YouTube channel. Before anything else, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. And I want you to know that what you did is very much appreciated. Thank you. And of course, one way of giving back to you guys is to grant your request. So because may nag-request nito, and I'm thinking na we also need this, especially na for those people na business-minded. So this is it. So in this video, we are going to talk about big word business. So ayan guys. Okay, so because sa mga nangyayari ngayon, like we have pandemic, some of us nag-iisip ng mga business na pwedeng gawin, or some of us iniisip na mag-business, yung iba nakastart na. Okay, like ako, I have tried online business, and actually ngayong panahon na to very helpful siya because yung iba nawala ng trabaho, yung iba. Okay, so to start with, someone says that to succeed in business today, we need to be flexible and have a good planning and organizational skills. Some of us iniisip to start a business, we just need to open our computer, we just need to open our doors and make money. And at the end, ma-realize natin na hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Especially na guys kung malaki yung investment mo. So whatever type of business that you want to start, you need to consider some ideas and tips to help us to grow our business successfully. So in this video, I will share to you some tips wherein magagamit natin sa pagsisimula ng ating business. Any type of business siya, mapa-online man siya or offline. This is 9 tips for growing a successful business. Let's start from number 1. Get organized. For us to achieve a successful business, of course, we need to be organized. It's because kapag ang lahat ng bagay ay na-arrange natin systematically, magiging madali lang yun para sa atin. And of course, a good way to be organized is we need a to-do list. So this will ensure that we are not forgetting something or anything. And of course, kailangan natin isulat dito yung mga kailangan natin to survive in our business. Next is number 2, keep a detailed record. We will know where the business stands financially and what potential challenges we could be facing. Okay, so by these records, makakagawa tayo ng strategies to overcome those challenges na pwede nating maranasan sa pag-run ng ating business. Number 3, we should analyze our competition. Like C. Barra said, competition breeds the best results. So for us to be successful, hindi tayo dapat matakot, of course, to learn from our competitors. And besides, meron silang alam na pwede baka meron silang alam na pwede nating gamitin or i-apply to run our business. Number 4, understand the risk and rewards. We should ask this question to ourselves. What's the downside? So if you can answer that question, malalaman natin yung pinaka-worst scenario na pwedeng mangyari sa ating business. By knowing this, of course, malalaman natin kung saang parte man ng business tayo focus upang magkaroon tayo ng more rewards than more risks. It includes being smart, being smart about the timing and of starting your business. For example, so ngayon na meron tayong pandemic, ano ba yung mga items or mga products na parating binibili ng mga consumer? Ano ba yung mga products or mga items na makakatulong sa mga tao with this pandemic that we are facing? We have number 5, be creative. Okay, kapag creative ka, huwag kang mag-settle lang dun sa isang idea. Mag-isip ka ng iba't ibang paraan wherein you could use your creativity para ma-improve ang business mo and mag-stand out siya from a competition. And recognize that hindi tayo perfect, of course, as a business-minded person, and we need to be open sa lahat ng ideas na pwedeng makatulong sa business natin. Tip number 6, stay focused. So there's an old saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. So, hindi ibig sabihin na nakapag-open na tayo ng business ay kikita tayo agad. So, it takes time to let people know who you are, about your business, yung nature ng business nyo. So, yung timeline na wherein kikita ka sa business mo is nakadepende dun sa nature ng business mo. Tip number 7, prepare to make sacrifices. Kapag nakapag-open na tayo ng business, online man siya or offline, doon na magsa-start yung work natin as a business person. So, ibig sabihin, you need to put up extra time and effort doon sa business mo. Kailangan mo mag-stay focused doon para ma-maintain mo and makasurvive yung business mo. So, like tip number 7 says, prepare to sacrifice. Meaning, we have to give much or more efforts to our business. But sometimes, hindi natin maiiwasan na kailangan natin mag-sacrifice for our business. Tip number 8, provide great service. So there are mga successful businesses that forget that providing good services is are very important. Kung nagpo-provide tayo better service sa ating mga customer, they will be more inclined to use. So the next time na may kailangan sila or need nilang service mo or products mo, sa business mo sila pupunta instead going to your competitors. Okay, so tip number 9, be consistent. Consistency is a key to making money in a business. So, kailangan natin i-maintain yung mga dapat gawin, of course, to stand and to maintain our business. Okay, so I hope na may natutunan kayo from this video. And I am hoping that kung anong business man ang iniisip ninyo ay maging successful. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!